Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.